Howdy everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day. I think today's Wednesday, I do believe. Me and Ravioli's out here on the golf cart ride this morning. He's running around the golf cart like something crazy. I don't know why he does that. You can see him right here. Oh, Goofy Ravioli. I don't know why he runs the golf cart. We're just out cleaning up stuff this morning. Mama, she's down here on her loader this morning, so she's happy. Moving stuff up to the house. I gotta call him tonight and see when he's coming Friday. I think he's coming Friday morning to get the meal. So there's Mom on the loader. She's pretty happy. Can't really hear good in that loader, so I just want to do a short video here. Everybody see everything? There we go. Go on, Ravioli. We're still plugging along down here. They come down here yesterday and there's about 15 turkeys down here running around. I don't know what they're doing down here. Usually they stay up in the woods up there. They're all down in here. Ravioli's over playing in the water. Not exactly what she's doing. Where we do our RV storage down here, we're going to like to straighten this road out a little bit. It's a little bit steep up there. We're going to come on out with it. Hope everybody's having a good day. Mama, she's trying to get everything squared away. She was on the phone some this morning, so she got all that took care of. Like I said, he's gonna be here Friday, so that's gonna be interesting getting this thing out. I hope he brings some help, because it ain't gonna be easy, but I don't think it'll be too hard either. But I better get this 4x4 up there. She's told me to get one 4x4. I don't know which one to get. I guess just already one of them. I reckon I'm supposed to get one. I hope I wasn't supposed to get two. I think she's got one up there already. Oh. I know long time ago, we used to have an old payloader we was working on, and This road's pretty steep. You can't tell it by the videos, but it's pretty steep. Dad got on that thing, come up through here. He's probably told this story, but didn't have no brakes on it. We know it didn't have no brakes on it. But we got it to running pretty good. We started up through here, and it's coming up through here somewhere. I stand up on the bank. That thing started missing about right in here somewhere. That thing started missing and sputtering, spatting. It died. When it died, he didn't have no brakes for sure. So it started rolling backwards, and he bailed out of it, broke his ankle and everything. That thing went off that bank right there and never did turn over. Never did turn over nothing, just landed down there in the slab pile. He'd probably been better off if he had rode it out. But he's like the rest of us, scared to death, I guess. But he broke his ankle when that happened. He was out of commission for a week or two over that. But I better get up here and get this 4x4 under this lumber. She'll fire me. So, but anyway, I was just gonna let everybody know we're doing good still. I just giving you the video. Mama on the loader, she's happy. She's waiting on me. Okay, well, let me get off here and help her. Bye.